Alright, so I'm recording here the whole time. I'm talking with my GoPro Hero11 in the media mode. There it is. And it shows it's recording. You can see this, but when you look at it closer, you can see that it's blinking, it's recording, but the timer shows 28 seconds. Let's look on the back. The timer shows 29 seconds on the back. We do have enough battery, 60% battery. The SD card is half full there, and the microphone is stuck, right? So the microphone does not react to anything. And I want to know from GoPro, here the record thing is blinking. I would love to know from GoPro if this thing is still recording now or not. You know? So, it is another day with the GoPro surprise, where we don't know. I'm going to post those 28 seconds it recorded. So I click on stop recording. Nothing happens. Now I'm here with one finger. So for those people that love the GoPro Hero 11 and all those GoPro fanboys, in order to now remove the battery or to open it up, you have to take the whole thing apart. So what we can do here is the on-off button. We can push and hold for a reset. Yeah, I'm going to push and hold for a few seconds. We see nothing changes here to the blinking. It seems to still record. Now I let go, turns off. It comes back on. Now it repairs my file, look at this. So obviously the file is damaged. Wow, right? Now let's see what it did. No, how do I replay here? Like this? There.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
It shows 344.
Look at this, what I got here. The thing was on sale at Costco.
So it recorded? It kept recording?
The last one they had. This is a fire pit for rich people. This is so expensive.
Yeah, so we will see in a second.
It has a mesmerizing
28
flame.
seconds is where it stopped. 28, 29.
So good. I think we'll find out. It's time to retire my...
So look at that, it kept recording, but
the thing, it's rusting quickly.
It kept recording, but it didn't display it on the display. Isn't that insane? So how would you know when you record? Oh my god. Hey, so GoPro part 2. So I was recording here. And now it shows on the front screen recording stopped. Let's see what it says on the back. So the SD card can't record with the current settings. Upgrade to a faster card to maximize performance, but this card works without the media mod. This is the first time that I see that I get a card message like this. It's nuts. It always was working. This is an expensive, fast card. No way that this is right. I need a card with V30 or higher, right? Now I can open this up and show you that this card does have V30 or higher. I mean, what the heck?